Good morning students, welcome you today's SST class. Today we will learn about Introduction to Civics, Chapter 3, Introduction to Civics. So here we will discuss civics, civic science and citizens. Today we will discuss what is civics. Civics deals with the rights and duty of the citizens of a country as well as the working of the governments of that country. In other words, civics tells us about our role as members of the society and residents of a nation. It makes us aware that we need to cooperate with everyone around us and contribute faithfully towards the society. It also tells us how to live together and help each other. How to live together and help each other. We are living in the society. We cannot survive without society. So many things we can get from our society. So, like if you live together in the society, it is a blessing because living in the society help us to get medical facilities easily. Around us, doctor, nurses are there. Society help us to get education. We have different school, so many teachers, they teaches us. Society help us to protect ourselves and our belongings. The security guards, policemen, watchmen, we can enjoy our festivals in the societies. So living in the society is helps us to get food also. We cannot grow our food ourselves. We depends from we depends upon upon farmers. The farmer help us to grow it. So all these things we are getting from our society. So it makes that we need the cooperated. We need cooperate with everyone around us. So it also help how to live together and help each other. This is civics. Now come to the civic sense. Civic sense means the social ethics. Civic sense means the social ethics. Ethics means overall behavior. Overall behavior. So it refers to the unspoken duty of a person towards the society. Unspoken duty. The duty what will be not spoken. That is our spontaneous to do that work. It relates to the creating an awareness as regards clean surrounding. It refers to keeping roads, streets and public places clean. It also includes having consideration of fellow human being. It means being polite, showing care towards the elder people, children and the different differently abled people, driving in one's lane without honking, throwing one's garbage in dustbin, etc. In this word, civic sense include everything that is required to be done for smooth functioning of the society. So, if you obey, if you polite, if you showing care towards others, then our works it will help us to smooth functioning of the society. When people do not show civic sense, it harms. When people do not show civic sense, it harms the society. Separatism, vandalism, intolerance, all these, or it will harm to the society. These are the example of lack of civic sense. Okay, now you come to the citizen. What is citizens? A citizen is a legal resident of a country. Broadly speaking, a citizen is a legal resident of a country. Citizenship is the status of a person recognized under the law established by a sovereign country. In generally, citizenship is quite close to the nationality of a person. Every citizen of a country should be loyal to his or her country. He or she should always think about and work for the growth and development of his or her country. So, students, Every citizens of a country should always be faithful towards their country, and we should always think for the growth and development of our country. Overall, civics means come the study of the right and duties of citizenship. Then you come civic sense. Civic sense means the unspoken duty of a person towards the society. And the last one, citizen. Citizen means a legal residence of a country. A legal residence of a country. I hope you have understood today's topic, that is civics, civic sense and citizens. Okay students, the next we will discuss about the importance of being a good neighbor. Okay, thank you students for listening my online class. Bye.